हे फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। माय नेम इज़ दीपज्योति। एक साल हो चुका है मुझे यूपीएससी की तैयारी करते हुए। इन लास्ट ईयर 2020 मैंने आईएएस बाबा का आईएलपी प्रोग्राम में एनरोल किया था। इट्स बिन 1 year and today in this video I'll be sharing all my experience and details regarding this program. All the details will be given in the description so you can check them out. By the way, all the timestamps are here so you can skip to the particular section. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो। तो गाइस, ये रहा आईएएस बाबा का वेबसाइट एंड इनका 2022 वाला प्रोग्राम अभी लॉन्च हो चुका है। एंड बाय द वे, आईएलपी स्टैंड्स फॉर इंटीग्रेटेड लर्निंग प्रोग्राम एंड यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है रोड टू मुसहरी, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली सभी यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट को लवासना ही जाना है। लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द प्राइसिंग। तो जो इसका बेसिक जो प्लान है इंटीग्रेटेड लर्निंग प्रोग्राम, दैट कॉस्ट अराउंड 10,000 प्लस जीएसटी। इट विल बी अराउंड 11,800 समथिंग। एंड इफ़ यू वांट मेंटरशिप, विच इज़ बेसिकली आपको एक टीचर प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा जो आपको गाइड करेगा कब क्या कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो आप उनसे पूछ सकते हो, डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशंस है एंड मच मोर। इट्स बेसिकली देयर विल बी अ टीचर असाइंड फॉर यू। इन दैट केस यू हैव टू पे अराउंड 15,000 प्लस जीएसटी। आई चोज़ द बेसिक जो प्लान होता है आईएलपी. So it is around, but in my case I had to pay around 17,000. काफ़ी कम हो गया है. So that's nice. So guys, after enrolling yourself, you will get a portal like someone like this. So let's log in. ये रहा हमारा पोर्टल. पहले ही यहाँ पे ग्रीटिंग्स एंड दिस इज़ द नोटिफिकेशन पैनल जहाँ पे कोई भी इम्पोर्टेंट नोटिस या कोई भी न्यूज़ हो यहाँ पे आप शो करेगा. नाउ लेट्स सी द डैशबोर्ड. तो यहाँ पे क्लासरूम प्रोग्राम एंड देन देयर इज़ द आईएलपी प्रोग्राम. आई हैव चोज द आईएलपी प्रोग्राम एंड दिस क्लासरूम प्रोग्राम आई कैन नॉट एक्सेस. बेसिकली क्लासरूम प्रोग्राम में यही होता है कि वीडियोज़ लेक्चर्स होते हैं जो कि आप देख सकते हो, रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स. इट कॉस्ट अराउंड लाइक 80,000 समथिंग लाइक दैट. आई एम नॉट श्योर. Let's see what are the sections in ILP program. Let's go to first Bavapedia. Now what's Bavapedia? Let's see. Bavapedia बेसिकली आपका करंट अफेयर्स का एक पोर्टल है जहाँ पे आपको सारे डिटेल्स रिगार्डिंग प्रीलिम्स एंड मेंस की करंट अफेयर्स सभी यहाँ पे होंगे. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज़ इन द प्रीलिम्सपीडिया. And in Prelimspedia, everything will be suited according to the prelims syllabus and the question pattern. Let's see today's what are the current affairs. Let's go to July. Then there's 24th July. There is date selected. You can choose any date you want, and there are various like topics like economy, environment, geography, history, international polity, schemes and science and tech. Let's see. Date wise आपको कुछ ऐसा मिलेगा and you can choose any of them. Let's see what is norovirus. See, it will be in bullet form so that it's easier for you to understand and memorize. Now you can just select and read from here, and you can also make digital notes just by select all the relevant portions and just copy it. Now this was basically Prelimspedia. Now let's see what is in the Mainspedia. And in Mainspedia everything will be related to your mains content. Now here it is in segregated into year wise from 2019, 20 and 21, and then there is GS 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's go today's current affairs. 24th July. See, then managing food surplus, insolvency and bankruptcy code, and then there is Manrega. Let's go with Manrega. See, it will be in a tabular format. Again, it's easier to understand in table format, so you can memorize it very easily. Then there is a topic, Manrega. Then there is the context, what is Manrega. Then there is the payment system, how it works. Then it tells you about the issues, and then there is this, in the end there is a slight conclusion or way forward. It basically acts like a mains answer type. If you can remember this and jot down the important points, it will definitely help you while you are writing answers. This was all about the current affairs. You are getting both prelims plus you are getting both mains. It's really good. Okay, now let's come to the prelims test series. Now under prelims tests, I have got around 59 contents. So in like there will be 59 tests. I'm not sure how many tests will be in the current program. You can check them in the official website. Link will be given down in the description. So let's see the content. Let's see this polity test. So in this test, there will be 100 questions. For each correct answer there will be +2 and -0.66, and the full marks is 200. In my first test I got around 103, so that was pretty bad. So let's see. So after giving a test, there you can review it or get the PDF. So let's see what is in the review section. So here in this review section you get a pie chart, like how many you scored wrong, how many you gave the correct answers, and you can judge yourself where you stand. And in the PDF option you can download the test in a PDF format, be emailed to your mail address. Here it is guys, see, there will be question, then the options, and at the end you will have the synopsis or the correct answers with the explanation, plus there will be the questions in Hindi also. So it's beneficial for both English medium and Hindi medium. You can pause the video and just read the questions. As far as difficulty of the test are concerned, it is from moderate to bit difficult, and you will hardly get like easy questions, and if you get easy questions then the options will be very tricky. So the standard of the questionnaire is pretty high, so that's good. And you can see here the leaderboards, so it's very nice. Plus one good thing about the this test portal is that I can bookmark any question I have marked wrong, so that I can review it later in my future. So I have organized the questions in various formats, in economics, environment, art and culture. So whatever questions I feel ki I'm making mistake in this, so I can review it in future. So that's one plus point. Here it is, see, difficulty level red, orange. So this one is an easy question. Most of them will get around red. Very few are there in the green section. So this was about the test series. Now let's move on to the another section. So next section is the video section. Now let's see what is in the video section. So here you will be getting video tutorials regarding the important topics. Here it is, the latest one that is being uploaded here, it is the economic survey. So if you just click here, and you can watch these videos for unlimited times.
Hello everyone, this is Swati. Is regarding the SIPP scheme. This is
So there will be a teacher, so who will be writing the important stuff on the screen, so you can better understand. And these videos are really helpful, so that you can link the content with your current affairs, also with the static portions. I found these videos really helpful, and they're not too long, like 1 hour 2 hours. They're pretty short, like 20-30 minutes, and few videos are like 1 hour for polity, I guess. But yeah, definitely worth it. And here in this video section there are over 120 videos or more. There will be videos about the discussion of the prelims test series, the current affairs. Then there will be strategy videos on how to prepare or approach a particular paper. That is also useful. So yeah, there are many videos. In fact, I haven't watched all of them. See, so this was the video section. Now let's move on to the another one. Okay, so the next section, that is articles. Here this is not related to the UPSC preparation. Basically it is like a notice board where you can read important stuff regarding or related to exam purpose. So here it is the article relating to 10 myths about answer writing and 7 techniques to master the art of answer writing. So this will be useful articles and you can just read it like a blog post. So see, notice, revision, all the update news, everything will be in this article. Okay, now let's come to the next section, that is value added notes. I know you have been waiting for this section, so let's start. So here you can find many notes. Let's see one of them because I can't show you all of them because of the copyright reasons. And here I'd like to mention one thing. So if you are enrolled in this program, ILP program, and if you have a friend and you can just think that maybe I will enroll myself and get the PDF or the notes and share it with another person or your friend through WhatsApp, email, or whatever the means it is. But that is actually harmful, and I suggest you to not do it because there have been many warnings by the IS Baba team, and they have removed users for doing so without refunding the money. So don't do this counterfeit things because they have been working really hard for this notes. So yeah, don't do this wrongful activities. It's not worth it, right? So okay, so let's see what are the notes. So here it is saying the module for polity. So let's see how polity when looks like. So in polity there will be international relations and not just simple polity. The notes will be available both in English and Hindi, so it's useful for both the mediums. Let's see the English first. Here it is, guys. So in this notes it has been mentioned about the India and neighbors. In the first there will be introduction on how to read. I'm just skipping it. You can pause the video and just read it. So here it is the India China. First it starts with basic developments about basic history, then there's independence, post independence, then in a box there will be crucial points or details regarding the same, and then there will be pictographic representation so that you can link the content much better. Here it is. Again guys, I can't show you, so apologies for the same. Now let's move on to how the Hindi vans look like. See, it's basically the same content but in Hindi format. But do note that the Hindi content actually comes like 2 to 3 days after the English notes being published. So that's one thing. And I find these notes very helpful. They are very simple and easily comprehensible. There's not like difficult words that you can't understand. It's very simple manner. So these notes are really good. Okay guys, so the next section, that is mind map. So again it is available both in English and Hindi. So let's see one of the mind maps. If you don't know what is mind map, basically it is like a flow chart with keywords mentioned in it regarding a particular topic so that you can better memorize it while revising. So here it is a mind map on social audit. See, it has branches and then like about section, features, benefits, limitations, and the way ahead. So it comes really useful while revising because you can't go through this value added notes each and every time. So whenever you are feeling कि मुझे बस जल्दी से revise करना है, then this mind maps are surely a blessing. You can pause the video and just take a screenshot maybe. Again, I can't show you all the mind maps for copyright reasons. So here it is. There are over 167 mind maps. Let's see about GS3 migratory birds. See, the main topic is migratory birds, then it is being subdivided into what is its importance, and then challenges, and then what are the interventions. and again under each subsection there are multiple, see, in bullet form, so that you can better revise it. Now let's see how the Hindi mind maps look like. So let's see with public transport of GS1. Here it is guys, see, Sarvajanik Parivahan, Prasang, that is the intro, then there is the Mudde, issues, shift, Sudhar se base, ASI, see, be it English medium or Hindi medium, these mind maps will be beneficial to everyone. So this was the mind map section. Now let's move on to the another section. So guys, the next section is mains answer writing. So in ILP program, you will be getting free mains answer writing program. So in mains answer writing, it's again available both for English medium and Hindi medium. In this program, in this section, you will be getting questions daily, like 10 questions in Hindi and English, and you have to write the answers. And at the end of the day, IS Baba will provide a synopsis where you can judge your answers with the answers that is being provided by the IS Baba team. Again, these answers are not like the ultimate model answers. You can change them according to your language, and you can add or remove any content. So let's see. Question in PDF format. So how did India's address concerns of the minority community post independence, and what role did the constitution play in this? Examine. In this way you will be getting 10 questions of different subjects from GS1, GS2, GS3 and GS4 with mixed match, you know, for better prepare you for the mains answer writing. And you can just write down the answer or the short points that we will be writing in this answer, and at the end of the day IS Baba will provide a synopsis. So let's see the synopsis PDF. It will contain the basic model answers. So let's see. Here it is guys, the question, then the answer. So first the approach, then a basic intro, then the body, and then the subsections, and in the end of the video there will be a way ahead or conclusion. So this is the basic structure of how the model answers look like. You can pause the video and watch. Again, I am sorry I can't show you the whole PDF because of copyright reasons. So this was the mains answer writing program. It is basically to adapt you to write the answers, and I was not you know, active in this mains answer writing program. I was just simply like, I didn't had the knowledge to write the answers. So if you have like invested around 3 to 4 months to gain the basic knowledge about NCERT and all the basic knowledge of other subjects, then you can go and attempt this mains answer writing program. It will help you to develop the concepts much better. So this was the mains answer writing program. Now let's see the next section. So the next section is the doubt resolution. So basically here you can ask your doubts and the IS Baba team will answer you. So let's see how it looks. See, here are the basic rules that you need to follow, and see, here people have asked their respected doubts. And again, it's not like surety that IS Baba will answer your doubt. It might that, see, they have answered here. So they might answer you, and they might not. So it depends. Personally, I felt that IS Baba team was a bit inactive here in this doubt resolution. So that's a bit downside from my end. So this was the basic doubt clearing resolution. So now let's move on to the next section. So guys, here it is, the next section is peer discussions. So in peer discussions there will be people or like all those who have enrolled in this program, and you can ask among yourself, like this is a kind of community thing where you can ask or answer any questions regarding your doubts, or you can help other people. See, here people have asked their own respective doubts, so just ask anything. So here this guy is asking for preparation for Patna, if anyone is preparing, and then there are replies. See, so yeah, so this was basically a brief summary of what are the features of this ILP program, and now I'm going to be talking about my experience. तो अब बात करते हैं मेरा एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था फॉर दिस होल 1 ईयर. सो स्टार्टिंग में इट वाज वेरी गुड, लाइक यू आर गेटिंग दिस शेड्यूल कि क्या कब पढ़ना है, कौन से टॉपिक क्लियर करना है, एंड देन आफ्टर यू कंप्लीट स्टडिंग एट द एंड ऑफ द वीक देयर विल बी अ प्रीलिम्स टेस्ट, 100 questions, and you can attempt them, and at the end of that exam you will be getting a review PDF जहाँ पे answers लिखे होंगे, and you can judge yourself that where you went wrong. So it was going very good smoothly for around 4 to 5 months. But उसके बाद आयुष बाबा ने कुछ ज़्यादा ही प्रोग्राम्स लॉन्च कर दिए, लाइक TLP, then there was mentorship programs and many more. So in that process I felt कि आयुष बाबा team was lacking, you know, to give time to the ILP batch, and it was delaying to update their portal. They were delaying to send the notes. They were, and just because everything was getting delayed, so the Hindi medium students were also getting the notes and all the resources very late from the English medium. So in that way I felt कि you know that was a big downside. आयुष बाबा को ऐसा कुछ करना नहीं चाहिए था. They should have given equal time to all the programs, and so yeah, that's it. And sometimes I felt कि portal कभी कभी काम नहीं करता, like the test series, like you're giving the test, it happened to me like few times, like 4 or 5 times, but yeah, worth mentioning कि तुम टेस्ट दे रहे हो and after like you are around 60 questions left, so 40% done, and then suddenly it closes. So one retake gone, and you can only give the exam for 3 times. So I don't understand that there was a software glitch, something like that. So I don't know that if it's continuing till now, but yeah, that was again a downside for me. Overall, the experience I would say was worth it for the money that I paid, for around 17,000 something. So yeah, it was really worth it. It put me in a position that I can analyze the things quite smartly कि मुझे क्या पढ़ना है, क्या नहीं पढ़ना है, how to read the newspaper, and it is like a mindset कि अब मुझे UPSC के लिए कैसे तैयारी करना है. Now I don't need any coaching. Now I am self-sufficient and I can focus on myself and my self-study. So yeah, thanks to Ayaz Baba for building this team spirit in me कि अब मैं कर सकता हूँ, that belief and faith. So yeah, that was really worth it. Now the question is why I chose Ayaz Baba. So yeah, 2020 जून में लाइक आई वॉज इन सेकेंड ईयर, एंड मुझे अपना UPSC का जो प्रिपरेशन है वो स्टार्ट करना था. एंड आई फेल्ट कि जो कोचिंग सेंटर्स है जहाँ पे लोग 4-5 घंटे जाते हैं एंड क्लासेस लेते हैं, वो कहीं ना कहीं मेरे लिए सूटेबल नहीं था, बिकॉज आई वांटेड फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी कि मुझे जब पढ़ना चाहो तो मैं स्टार्ट कर सकता हूँ. सो आयुष बाबा गेव मी डैट फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी विद द शेड्यूल कि आज तुम्हें ये टॉपिक्स कवर करने, एंड एट द एंड ऑफ दैट वीक देयर विल बी ए टेस्ट. So in that way I felt कि you know this was better for me myself, and it's also better for working professionals who don't have much time to invest. So that's why I chose Ayaz Baba. Beginning I was a bit skeptical because I haven't heard about Ayaz Baba, like Vision IAS or Vajiram. They were very popular in this whole market, but Ayaz Baba I haven't heard, but I have heard like good reviews from my brother and my friends who have enrolled themselves in Ayaz Baba. So that's why I choose this ILP program. Now why I made this video. So last year जब मैंने अप्लाई किया था for this ILP program, तो मैंने YouTube में काफ़ी सर्च किया था कि कोई रिव्यू बना दे कि आयुष बाबा का प्रोग्राम कैसा होता है, क्या नहीं होता है, सो डैट आई कैन बी रेस्ट श्योर कि जो मैंने पैसे डाले वो अच्छी जगह डालेगी, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली मुझे कुछ वीडियो ऐसा मिला ही नहीं आयस बाबा के रिलेटेड. सो या एंड एट दैट टाइम आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग आई थॉट कि वीडियो बना दूँ, बट आई थॉट कि जल्दी हो जाएगा एंड इट वाज नॉट वर्थ इट, कि मुझे पहले समझ लेना चाहिए कैसा क्या है. सो इट्स बिन 1 ईयर, सो आई थिंक ये टाइम है कि मैं ये वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, सो डैट यू गाइस कैन बेटर जज कि आपको लेना चाहिए कि नहीं. आई बिलीव ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल हुआ हो आपके लिए, एंड अगर हेल्पफुल था देन डू लाइक एंड शेयर टू ऑल योर यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट्स एंड फ्रेंड्स जिनको ये वीडियो की नीड है. एंड या सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज़ वीडियो. आई होप you guys liked it. If you did, then do subscribe and do comment if you have any queries regarding the same. So yeah, that was it. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay happy. Bye bye.